a different type of question. A paragraph is followed by 3 statements. You have to classify these statements as per the guidelines. If the statement is a logical conclusion of the paragraph, then that statement is type 1. If the statement goes against the paragraph, it's type 2. Irrelevant, type 3. Logically follows the same logic, that is parallel logic, then type 4. Looking at this question, Ansou's 1965 book on corporate strategy, the first to concentrate solely on the subject, was described or has been described as the most elaborate model of strategic planning in the literature. Although it started with a simple aim, it soon got bogged down in detail, series of rigorous process, but he himself came to recognize that too often it resulted in paralysis by analysis. This is what happened. So in his later work, he moved away from this rigid approach and tried to introduce some flexibility into the planning process. So a book focusing on corporate strategy, positive reviews, but later on it led to paralysis by analysis, and then he tried to move from this rigid approach. Let's take a look at each of the statements. Statement A: he abandoned his search for big universal management prescriptions and believing that each organization has to make strategic decisions on its own, dependent on its own unique environment. It seems to be flexible and not so rigid. So it seems a logical outcome from the paragraph. So this would fall into type 1. What about statement B? Rigid control systems should be developed beforehand and implemented to facilitate this monitoring. This word rigid makes the statement go against the paragraph, and hence it is type 2. What about C? Companies can create a vicious cycle of turnover and fail to maximize their profits due to the cost associated with operating without experienced people and the cost of hiring and training. Seems to be irrelevant here. So type 3. 1, 2 and 3. Option 1 is the best from the available choices.